Now let's see what we want to trigger when the driver fills the OTP. So first, here we will come to script screen. Inside driver view, and here in the pin code text field, we will go to on completed section. Here we will go with if OTP controller.text.stream equals context.read, and here it's going to be write request provider driver dot write request data dot OTP. Let's add a null check here. Then we want to execute some functions. So we will come to push notification dialog, and here we will copy these functions. So first we will get direction, then we will decode the polyline, get direction from pickup location to destination location, then we will decode the polyline, then we will update marker to true, then we will update that we are moving from current location to pickup location as false, then we will update marker, call the update marker function, then here this function we want call, that is accept write request, then here this function we will call, that is update write request status. We will go for status 2, that is, let's have a look what is the status 2, moving towards destination, and at last, yeah, this much we will go. We will just copy it from here. Let's copy this. Here we will go to trip screen, and if OTP controller.text.stream equals the OTP we have fetched, then we want to trigger these functions. So we'll go with asynchronous, and we are good. Now it's time that we import these libraries. Here we do have current location, pickup location. So let's go with two lat long. Here let's go with pickup location equals, here the pickup location equals await location services dot get current location. Then comes up lat long, that's drop location equals context.read. Here it's going to be write request provider driver dot, then comes up drop location, and here it's going to be latitude, comma, then here it's going to be longitude. We will copy this much, paste up here, and it's going to be a lat long. Okay, let's copy this, paste here, and we are good. We have to add a null check, and we have to add a null check here also, and here we have to enclose it with a semicolon. So let's have a look. Let's remove this build context, ignore it. So here I do have a drop location. It's going to be drop location latitude, drop location longitude. Okay, we are good. So we have pickup location, we have drop location. Now let's use it. We have it's, I will cut it, paste up here, and here we have to pass drop location, and here I will get the polyline, then I will decode the polyline, then update marker, it's going to be true, then here it's going to be false. So now we are moving from pickup location to destination location, so it says update moving from current location to pickup location. So we are not moving from current location to pickup location. We are moving from pickup location to destination. So that's the reason we will be updating it to false. Then we have to call this update marker function. Yeah. Accept write request. Okay, we won't be going with this function. And here we have write request services, update write request status, and it's going to be 2. And here we have to go with what we say, the write request ID, right? So here we will go with context.read write request provider driver dot write request data. And here we will go with rider profile, and I have to add a null check here, and we are good. So if the OTP entered matches the OTP fetch from the provider, that is rider request provider, then it will trigger these functions. And good, let's check it. So I have deleted the data from write request. As you can see, we don't have driver profile here, and I have also deleted active write request ID from driver profile. So let's trigger a push notification and check it out. So let's first push a push notification. So we'll push a push notification, and I will accept it. And here we are. So I have added this enter OTP to start trip, and it's overflowed. Let's just increase the size. Okay, let's increase the size by a little. We have this 10, let's make it 12. Let's save it, and let's have a look. Still we are going by 10 pixels. Let's make it 14. Let's save it, and let's have a look. Yeah, it's good now. So we have a vertical, then okay, it's good now. So we have implemented the logics. So the moment we will be entering the OTP and it matches the, what you can say, and it matches the OTP that's inside our provider, then it will trigger this function. Okay, so let's do it. Let's go here to write request, and let's look for OTP. Why it's 316? It shouldn't be 316. So let's trigger a push notification and test out the logics which we have implemented. So here I will go with the push notification, and here we do have the write request from read Fort to Qutub Minar. I will accept it, and here we do have, like, I have added a text here in this OTP field, made a column basically. So earlier we were just returning this text, this pin code text field. Now we are just returning a column, and I do have a text also, so which says enter OTP to start trip. So now let's have a look onto the OTP. We will come to write request, and the OTP is 3165. Okay, we will enter 3165, and yeah, so it shows us the polyline from, what you can say, destination, like pickup location to destination. The thing which is missing here is the markers, the destination marker, the pickup marker, and the car icon. So let's have a look. I think so there might be some errors going on. Yeah, Okay, so there was no error. Basically, it was taking a little time to load up these markers, and we are good. So now we have to do one thing, like we have to change our driver location. So for this, I will just open this one, come up with locations. Now let's change the location. Okay, let's search here. What we can search? Jama Masjid, Delhi, and this is the Jama Masjid thing. And I have the destination. It goes near to this. Oh, really, it's puzzling one. Okay. But it says Rajghat. Okay, here we have this Rajghat. So let's point up here and let's set location. So as you can see, we have this one here, but it should have been removed. And if I set location to here, let's set location. Okay, so there is a thing that this, what you can say, the car icons are not getting removed, so we have to make sure that this car icons get removed. Okay, so the multiple car icons in our map can be fixed by simply updating the driver marker to set of markers. So previously the list was not getting emptied up, so on emptying up it's working good. So let's have a look. So right now we are here, and if we change our location, so let's come up here. We are here right now. So basically this icons gets updated after every 5 seconds. Okay, so let's come, we are at now, right now we are here. Let's come here, set location, we are here, and our driver icon has been updated. So let's zoom out and let's come up here. That is, let's go with this location, this one. And I think so this is the location. Okay, so we'll come up here. It says IP estate. Here we do have the Supreme Court thing. Let's zoom a little more. Here is the IP state. Here is the IP state. I will just point up here, zoom out. Right now our car is here and it will be here. So let's set location, and yeah, so it's working perfect. As we are moving, our car icon is getting animated in the map. So now it's time that we end the trip, and it finds, like, we add the entire trip details in trip history section.